Never save money. Make it grow. This advice came from my grandfather.
He lived in a small farming village where people judged others quickly. Everyone called him lazy because he never worked like the others. Every day, Sardar Karim sat under an old banyan tree on a broken wooden chair.
We must remember our roots and the
He talked about big plans, but never took the first step. One day, he would say proudly,
One day I will open a shop, buy land, cows, and live without working so hard.
but that one day never came. People stopped laughing at him and started feeling sorry for him. His wife, Sardani Zainab, often sighed deeply.
Dreams don't fill the stomach, hard work does.
Sardar Karim only shrugged his shoulder, replied quietly.
Someday I'll find a way.
Years passed and life became harder. One night, his grandson, Sardar Ali, thin and barefoot, came to him.
Grandpa, is there any bread today?
He asked softly. Sardani Zainab opened a cupboard. It was empty. Sardar Karim looked at the floor in shame. At that moment, he understood something painful. Dreams cannot be eaten. Ideas cannot fill an empty stomach. That night, Sardar Karim did not sleep at all. The next morning, with a heavy heart, he went to work in the fields as a laborer. The sun burned his skin and his back bent with pain. His hands became rough and wounded.
This work feels like chains.
He whispered. At night, he came home exhausted. The food was simple and never enough. Still, he said,
It is little, but it is something.
but the money never stayed. Medicine took it, food took it, life took it. One day, at the village shop, he heard men talking.
The real secret is saving money.
One man said. Those words stayed in his mind. He found a glass jar and hid it under the bed. Every week, he dropped a few coins inside. The sound of coins gave him hope.
This is our future.
He told his grandson proudly. But saving came with hunger. They ate less. They suffered more. One day, at the market, the truth hit him hard. Prices had gone up. His savings had lost value.
Money loses value when it just sits.
The seller said. That night, his grandson asked.
Then what's the point of saving money, Grandpa?
Sardar Karim had no answer. The next morning, he noticed something different. Neighbors who had chickens and cows were never afraid. He remembered his grandson's old idea.
What if we buy chickens?
This time, he listened. With the last of his money, he bought a few weak chickens. Soon, eggs came, then income, then hope. One day, holding an egg, he said,
This is better than saving money. It grows.
and that is the lesson Sardar Karim Khan learned. Never save money, make it work, make it grow.